Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. Today we're going to be making 4 Easter baskets all under $10 and they all are from the Dollar Tree, so I hope you'll continue to watch. So to get started, we are going to start out with the blue basket. This one has the pink ribbon bow on it. And then I got the decorative shreds in multicolor because I did end up recycling this for 3 of the 4 baskets. But if you're doing this for each child, feel free to do something different. I just really enjoyed the different vibrant colors and personality that it brought the basket, so I decided to use the assorted instead of a basic color. So now that we've got our filler in, we're going to go ahead and start placing in our goodies. So this is just a paddle board with a ball on the end of a string, and you try to hit the ball by bouncing the paddle up and down. This is a package of Nerds, and I like the blue color on it, but I also like that it had the flowers because I thought it brought a little bit of spring personality to our basket. I also have a package of the cotton candy in blue as well, and a blue bunny. So there were 2 different versions of the bunny, and I just like this one a little bit better because he's bigger and he'll fill up more space in the basket. And I did go ahead and take the price tag off so it looks a little less generic. Also a blue egg, which is in the theme of Frozen. They had a million different themes there, so feel free to mix it up just a little bit if you'd like. And then I love these. These are the bunny glasses with the ears, and they're sparkly. They are so fun, and I decided to grab a pair of those. And then I finished off this basket with a package of slime. So our next basket is a purple theme, and again we are going to go ahead and use the same filler that we used in the last basket. You'll also see it again in the next basket, but I promise the 4th one will be a different filler. I just want to put a small disclaimer in. This basket is actually $11, but if you want to stay in the $10 price range, just put in 1 less bag of filler. So to start off with this basket, we're going to put in the Frozen 2 Jumbo Coloring Book, which I think is so cute, and I know my niece will love it. A jelly bean themed cotton candy. We're also going to throw in a tube of the Easter Bunny M&Ms, and they have the purple egg on top. The M&Ms are also the spring color, so I thought that would fit perfectly. We're going to throw in this headband of bouncy purple bunnies, which I thought was absolutely adorable. Sour Patch Kids, these are also keeping with the Easter theme because they're shaped like bunnies. And then I have a super soft small bunny that we're going to go ahead and place in there. This is smaller than the last bunny that you saw. So these are the 2 variations that I had told you about. And then we're going to throw in some Frozen 2 candies as well as an egg full of candy. And that completes this basket. Our next basket is a bunny theme. I also tried to stick with pink items to kind of make the face on this basket pop just a little bit more. So the same filler as you saw previously. This is the last basket that I'm going to use it on. We also got a Floam in the shape of a bunny rabbit and an egg, a girl's fairy tale book, and this is actually very good quality. And then we're getting a sponge hand loofah for toddlers. It is a fish theme, also in pink, some chalk Easter eggs for outside, some bunny bobblehead jelly beans, spring M&Ms. I just love the color of those. And then a pink lay down bunny, and that completes this basket. Very simple. Now for our last basket, which is our chick theme or yellow theme. So we're just starting out with our chick basket, and we're going to add in some yellowish gold filler. I just want to put a small disclaimer in there that this is very staticky filler, and whatever you put in it or near it, it will stick to. So I just want to let y'all know that. So basically I'm just fluffing it up like the previous baskets, and then I'm going to add in our goodies. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and put in a tic-tac-toe game. This is in the shape of a chick, and I just thought it was adorable and would go perfect with this basket. I'm also getting a Things That Go Air and Sea book in there, a bobblehead chickie tube of, I think it's jelly beans, an egg with M&Ms in it, and then we are going to put in a little lay down chick. And then I thought it'd be really, really cute to open up some suckers and just stick those in there wherever. Also putting in a lollipop little, it's a sucker with a beak on the end, so whoever sucks on the sucker will look like they have a beak, and I thought that was adorable also. So that completes this basket as well as the video. I hope that you all liked it. If you did, please give this video a like, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.